What do you think about this technique?
I don't know if that's good for the wine.
This is good for the wine.
You're like,
Let's go wine tasting as people who know nothing about wine. First up, some sort of white wine.
It's giving grape.
Glass 2 is white wine something.
Well oxygenated. Leather and volcanic minerality.
Sounds yum.
Oh yes, I can see the hints of leather, raspberry, and jujube. Delightful.
Spoiler alert, I did not like this one. Grenache.
say it again. What's it called?
Grenache.
Grenache.
Grenache. This is probably like a sheepskin leather.
Oh.
Yeah, definitely sheep.
The sheep. Start swinging this thing around.
Yeah, you gotta let it oxidize.
Honestly, they all kind of taste the same. I can't
They
tell the
all
fucking
kind of
difference.
taste like wine.